Hi friends, today we are going to draw this beautiful seascape, a beach, and we'll use graphite pencils. First, an HB pencil, sharp it is very important, I think. And now I'll make a frame to draw within it. Okay, to make the horizon line, okay, very little help. And now we begin to draw the limits of the water of the sea. I don't know if it is it. Now, as you can see, we use an HB pencil to make this quick sketch that will be our guide for the rest of our drawing. Always in this step of our drawings, always be very soft with your pencil strokes, okay? Because maybe you have to erase something, and if you press too hard, you can't erase anything. Okay, these are wood sticks. Okay. And now we clean this part of the wood. Okay, as you can see, this tutorial is very visual, so you don't need too much explanation, but I'll be explaining things all along this video, and you have all time. When I change my pencil or take another thing, you'll see a text on the screen with it. Okay, this limit. And now begin with the first three. Just a line, parallel lines. Okay, very easy. In this tutorial, I'm using more pencils, as you will see. And don't worry, you have all of them noted in the description of this video, so you can have a list of materials without any problem. Okay, some branches here. To fix our trees to the ground, we make this trick simulating widths. Now, with very little circles, we suggest there are leaves. Okay, step by step, we are making our quick sketch more detailed. We change our pencil. I darken the horizon line of the sea. Now, this is a tip, a very important trick in this drawing is don't shade everything in the sea, at the sea, but leaves some parts white, because they simulate the foam of the water, the waves, as you see. Drawing is always the same. We are making magic with just graphite, staining a flat paper. It appears a landscape in front of us. This is the beauty of drawing and painting. We can make new worlds and new places and a window to a world that it is not there. It's only in our paper. I think it's very beautiful. don't worry if you draw inside the trees, because you can erase it. Don't worry. Okay? Spark. And the limit of the water will be there. As this drawing is very visual, I leave you at your own pace to see it and draw it if you wish. Okay? Okay, this part of the drawing is very important because objects like these boots and trees, everything project a shadow. If you don't represent this shadow, objects may appear they are flying. Okay, you need to anchor them to the floor, and this is done. We can make this drawing in its shadow, its cat's shadow. Now some hairs here, and let's shade these buses darker in the lower part and make some other plants, suggesting other plants here. Okay, reinforcing darker and shadows. More buses here. Okay, beautiful. If you are here, seeing this video, maybe you like it. If you like it, smash the like button, okay? And if you have done before, subscribe to my channel and activate the bell, because if not, YouTube don't say anything about me to you. Okay. Very important, this pencil, a 2H pencil. When you draw something that you before have saved, and you draw over it with a 2H pencil, you make very dark tones. It's very useful, this pencil, and it's perfect to refine details. If you don't have a 2H pencil, you may use your HB pencil very sharp, very sharp, and only with the tip of the lid. Now, this paper towel, rocket science tool, and as this paper is now stained with graphite, because we have blurred part of the drawing, we can use it to draw or suggest clouds in sky. Okay? This part of the drawing is all making drawing details, reinforcing things, etc. Very important tool in drawing is an eraser to recover whites and give shadows. In this case, we are drawing clouds only with an eraser, as you see, very easy. Reinforcing the terminator of the shadow. Refining waves. Very careful now with the edge of the trunk. Okay, suggest this part softly. Don't mark too much this edge. Okay, this is done. What do you think? Do you like it? See you soon. Be very happy. Bye.